This video will introduce a powerful new feature in License Activation Manager, the Blacklist Manager. This tool allows you to efficiently manage license IDs, serial numbers, and computer IDs all from one convenient screen. Designed to combat license abuse, the Blacklist Manager ensures that unauthorized use of your software is quickly identified and stopped, protecting your valuable assets and maintaining the integrity of your user base. Enhance your security and take control with ease. It's important to note, however, in order for this feature to function correctly, integration with License Activation API and using License Activation Server is crucial. To use the Blacklist feature, navigate to Dashboard and select the Tools section. Click on the Blacklist button to open the Blacklist tool. We will blacklist a serial number. We will use an example serial number for demonstration. Enter the serial number. Select the program name. Click to add the serial number to the list. The serial number is now blacklisted and will not allow any user to register on the License Activation Server or used for activating software. To blacklist a license, do the following. Navigate to Dashboard and select the Tools section. Click on the Blacklist button to open the Blacklist tool. Click on the License ID tab. Enter the order number associated with the license to find the license ID. We will use a random order ID for demonstration purpose. Add the license ID to the blacklist. The license ID is now blacklisted and will not allow the user to reactivate the license for the order on License Activation Server. To blacklist a computer ID or server path, do the following. Navigate to Dashboard and select the Tools section. Click on the Blacklist button to open the Blacklist tool. Click on Computer ID tab. Enter the computer ID you want to blacklist. We will use a random computer ID for demonstration purpose. Add the computer ID to the blacklist. The computer ID is now blacklisted and will not allow the user to activate a license with the same computer ID. The same will happen if the user is to reissue a license in the License Activation Server. The computer ID blacklist also accepts server UNC path for cases with network license.